What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today we're gonna go old school. Alright, we're gonna teach you the song called, wait, I forgot the name. The Rockwilder by Redman and Redman. So, let's start. Alright guys, let's start from this one. We're gonna face to your left. Alright, you're gonna jump to your right and go 1, hug, 2, kick to the front, 3, drop, and 4. Alright, then go front, 5, 6, down on 7. So you're gonna go in like this, set, bend. So set, bend. Put your hand to your hips and go 8. Stay here. Okay? Try one more time. 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2. Kick 3, drop 4, roll on 5, 6, in 7 and 8. Okay? Next, this one you drop it 1 and 2. Step to your right, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Lean to your right, 7. Punch on 8. Okay? Okay, let's try again. From here. So 5, 6, 7, and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Lean to your right, 7, punch on 8. Okay? One more time. This time, let's do it faster. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, for this one, you're gonna go open 1, close on 2. Then we're gonna do isolation, 3, and the 4. Okay, for this one, you're gonna go do the wrist, the finger first. Finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, 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 elbow, wrist, and finger. Okay? If you want to learn this one, there's a lot in tutorial for this one in YouTube. Okay? So for now, you're gonna go side, 3, and 4, down on 5, 6. Close, 7, open, and drop, and 8. Okay? One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? Next one. You're gonna go 1 small, 2 on the third, make it big. 3, close on 4. Then for this, left, right, left, stay here. Then stretch your left, go to the back of your right. Alright? Let's try. Ready? 7, and then 1, 2, make it big. 3, close on 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You got that one? Alright, next, this one, glide 1, flip on 2, touch 3, 4, go to the front, chest 5, and 6. Okay, then you're gonna go drop 7, turn around, 8, then any pose you like. Okay, you see that? Let's try one more time. 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1. Alright? Okay, let's start from the beginning. All of it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop and 8, 2, 2, big. 3, close on the floor. Here we go on 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And if you want to watch more dance tutorial, just go to the playlist in my channel and you can find a lot of dance tutorial there. Okay? See you soon and